of Easter, but I wanted them to write the story of Easter. So, Sasa, want to come to the front? Sasa? Bumsen? Yeah, on this day they wrote a story, but I didn't tell them about it. Yeah, they had to write about it. By themselves. Now son's not here. Who's the other? Okay, so we'll get you two girls, Celia and Sasan, who have the same story, can read together, yes? And Bumsen will read by herself. Bumsen, you can read? Okay. Anna, you can start.
Jesus died on the cross, and there was a man beside Jesus. And Jesus was a good man.
Okay, very good.
最少先立地咁啊，是呢啲，或者嘅咧，阿幾啊，咪可以落地中是呢啲。
Okay, Bumsen is next. Now,
Bumsen
Bumsen did, at the beginning, Bumsen did the wrong story. She told everyone about her Easter hunt, but then she wrote the Bible story. Okay, this is very, very good. She wrote it very quickly.
Jesus died on the cross because of you and me. And he came alive on Easter Sunday.
Easter Sunday 你呢，阿媽獻自己。
Very good. Now these two girls wrote the same story.
ที่ตะกี้เป็นคิดว่าตะกี้น่ะป่วยปวดคู่ๆเรายังเป็น
A long time ago, a man named God created the world. First a girl and a boy called Adam and Eve. On Easter, it was the Last Supper. The 12 friends were very sad because Jesus was going to die. Before that happened, he got a piece of bread and a cup of wine. Then he said, eat this bread and drink this wine, for this is my body and blood. Then he died on the cross.
Very good. Now, sins. Very well done. Now there's a few others that were not here today and they did very well as well. So I think we might share the big egg, kids. All you kids can get it later with everyone, okay? The 4 girls, okay? Because you girls were very good, okay? So I think you can share it, okay? We're going to have a lot more eggs later, okay? We're going to sing now.
Getting married, talking Naupangte Thokik, gave playing, a sea hanging, a talking him. Alive, alive, alive forevermore. Our Jesus is alive, alive forevermore. Alive, alive, alive forevermore. My Jesus is alive. Sing hallelujah. is alive.